Welcome to Learning Python. I'm Terry and I will be your presenter. This is a 15-week series of lessons on learning to program with Python. Each lesson will introduce new concepts and explore different uses of the language and how it can be used to solve problems. I will be generally following the book Python Programming by John Zell. This course is designed for people who have little or no experience with programming. It was developed by Dr. Brian Burton, who has taught computer programming for over 30 years. Python is a popular programming language used for a wide variety of applications, including web development, data science, and machine learning. It is a high-level language and was designed from the beginning to emphasize readability. It's easy to read and has clear syntax, making it a great language for novices and experienced programmers alike. Python is named for the Monty Python troupe and their Flying Circus television show. The best way to learn a new language is to be an active learner. That means that you should try to solve problems as they are introduced and experiment with each of the projects. Do not be afraid to try new things and try to solve each of the projects on your own with practice. You will be a great programmer in just a few months. In our next tutorial, I will demonstrate how to install Python and Visual Studio Code. Then we will create our first Python program. You may also use Idle Editor, named after the Monty Python comedian. Idle is free and available on the Python website www.python.org, and if you haven't guessed yet, I am named after Terry Gilliam, another of the Monty Python troupe. I will see you next time as we learn Python.